My today video, I'm going to be showing you all how to crochet a beautiful granny square. So the first thing I'm going to do, will put the yarn a little bit like this, like I'm tying, and I leave that hole inside. Then I'll take my hook, in, then I bring it and I make 3 chain. Then inside this hole I'm going to crochet 12 double crochet. So here I go, guys. I'm having 12 double crochet on my first row. So when I finish, I pull the yarn like this so it to come close. Then I'm going to make a slim stitch here, then I close. So I'm going to change the yarn like that. I cut it, then I'm going to change it to the blue. So the next, on my second row, I'm going to be using 2 colors. I'll be using the blue, light blue, and the red yarn. So I'll begin from here. I'll make chain. So let me just close this at once. So that's my first double crochet. So I'm going to crochet 6 double crochet at first. So I make 1 double crochet in the next hole. I make 2 double crochet in the same hole. Then the next hole I'm going to crochet another 2 double crochet. Then the next hole I crochet 1 double crochet. So I leave it like this. I'm going to use the red to complete up like this. So I pull it. So from here I'm going to continue with the red. So here I'm going to make a double crochet, and I crochet these 2. I'm going to be crocheting these 2 yarn inside. So this my first double crochet. I'm going to put another double crochet in the same hole. That's 2. Then I go to the next hole. I put another 2 double crochet. So how many am I having? I'm having 4 now. So I go to this other hole. I'll crochet another 2 double crochet in the same hole. Then on the next hole here I'm going to crochet 1 double crochet, but I will make half crochet. Then I change my yarn. I take the blue yarn and I complete it. So I go to the next hole. So each of them, I'll make sure, each color I'll make sure I'm putting 6 double crochet of light blue, 6 double crochet of red. Then I'm still going to crochet another 6 double crochet of light blue. So I double it in the same hole. So the next I'm still going to crochet 2 in the same hole. Next I crochet another 2. Then I crochet, how many am I having now? I'm having 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here when I'm on the 6, I have to change, and changing, you make a half crochet, then you finish with the other color. Then I come to the next hole here. I'm going to crochet another 6 double crochet. So I start from here, 2 double crochet, I come here, another 2 double crochet, then to this hole I make another 2 double crochet. Like this. Another 2 double, I make half crochet, then I finish with the blue. Since I'm going to close on this other section with the blue, so I have to finish with the blue. So I'm having 6, so I close with a slim stitch on the side. So here I go. So this my first row, 12 double crochet. On my second row, each color I'm crocheting 6 double crochet. So I'm going to work next to the next row. So on this next row I'm going to be working, and I'll do more increases because I want it to be flat. I don't want it to be going inside. So I start from here. I'll start with a double crochet, and this red I'm going to be crocheting it inside. I make double crochet, 2 double crochet, I make 1 chain, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, the next hole 2 double crochet in the same hole. So next 1 double crochet, then next 2 double crochet. So half, then I finish with the red, then I move next. So this blue, I'm going to be crocheting it inside now. So I make double crochet in the first hole, another double crochet in the same hole, then the next I make 1 double crochet on the next hole, 2 double crochet, so on the next hole 1 double crochet, on the next 2 double crochet, guys. So I come next here, 1 double crochet, then on the next hole I'll crochet 2 double crochet. So half crochet, then I complete with the blue because I'm going to be working now in the section of the blue. So I'm going to start from here. I'll make 1 double crochet on the next hole. I make 2 double crochet. So when I crochet 1 double crochet in one particular hole, on the next I'm going to crochet 2 in the same hole. So I come next, in the next hole half, then I complete with red. So I move to the next hole, double crochet the same hole again, guys, another double crochet with the red, then next two double crochet, two double crochet in the same hole. So here, so as I'm crocheting and I'm going up, guys, I'm doing increases. I'm doing increases. Then when I reach the position where I have to change my yarn, I crochet half crochet, then I use the next color to complete it, then I make a slim stitch. So you can see, so this the beginning of my work with my different colors. So the next I'm going to make chain, then here I see continue working with more increases. So you just have to make sure you don't do a lot of increase so that it will be twisted. So when you increase, you see that it's flat like here, it's okay. On the next row, you just put but one double crochet, then you move to the next row. Because if you decide and you're putting two on all the holes, by the end of the day you see that it will be twisted like a rose flower, which you don't want to make a rose. So here I change, then I come double crochet, so when I'm going to crochet like this, guys, I'll crochet like 5 rows. Then on the last row, I'm going to show you guys how I'll form my granny square. So from the first row up to the 5th row, I'm just going to be crocheting but a circle. So when I reach on my final row, I'm going to create a granny square. You can see how I'm progressing. So guys, I continue going. So you can see that I'm still doing the increases. So here I'm going to make 2 double crochet in the same hole. So I close with this one, then I make a slim stitch here, guys, here. So I move to the next row, I make a chain, so you can see how my work is going. So after I finish with this row, guys, I'll show you all how I'm going to create my granny square. So I crochet, double crochet, 2 double crochet in the same hole, 1 double crochet, and 2 in the same hole. Then here on the last row I make half of blue and half of red. Then I move to the position of red, and whenever you are moving on the next position, always make sure that the next yarn is inside. You are crocheting it inside, you are not leaving it outside, guys. All you can see, so this the yarn here, you look at inside, you don't see where the red is passing, and you don't see where the blue is passing when you're walking on top of the red, because I'm crocheting it directly inside. So I continue going, guys. So I'm here, so I change, I take the blue, so I keep on going, guys. So you can still see that I'm still doing the increases. I've not yet stopped. Because it has to be completely flat. So I change and I take the red yarn, so when I'm going to finish on this row now, guys, I'm going to be showing you all how I'm going to create my sides of my granny. So guys, I'm almost going to an end of my circle so that I can create the granny square. So you can see this is really very easy, more than you can imagine, guys. When you look at it, if you just look at it, you think that it's difficult, but when you see the way it's been done, you realize, that's when you realize that it's really very difficult, very easy. So I close here, so I'm going to get the both yarns because I'm going to do the finishing, but with a broken white. So you can see, so this is the first stage that I've gone, and to go to the next stage I'll need my stitch markers. I'll need my stitch markers to mark the position where I'm going to be forming my granny square. So I'm going to put the first stitch marker here. Then when you put your stitch marker, you can put your work like this so that you know the next middle to put. So the next stitch marker, I put it here. So I'll come here on the middle and I'll put the other stitch marker on one side. So this other side, what am I going to do? I'll put directly my hook there. So you see it's four sides. That's this is the first stitch marker, the second, the third, then this other side. All you can see, I've marked all the four corners of my where I'm going to create the granny. So I'll begin from here where my crochet hook is. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to make a chain of 3 like this. Then I crochet. The first thing I do is I'll make 3 double crochet. As you can see, 3 double crochet in the same hole. I make 2 chain, then I come back in the same hole and I make another 3 double crochet in the same hole. So here I'm going to skip 2 holes of double crochet, and the next stitch I'm going to work on half crochet. So I make half crochet, then the next I'm going to be working on single crochets. I'm going to be working on single crochet. See, when I'm almost close to the other stitch marker, when I'm almost close to that stitch marker, I'm going to make 2 half crochet as well. You can see I'm here, so I'm going to make 2 half crochet here, 2 half crochet, then I skip 1, 2, and on the third hole where the stitch marker is, I'll remove the stitch marker. So I'm going to make 3 double crochet, 2 chain, back to the same hole, another 3 double crochet. So I turn this way, I'm going to skip 2 holes, then on the next I put half crochet. I work on 2 half crochet, then single crochets on the middle. In between the 2 half crochet, I work on single crochets. So I'm almost close there, so I'm going to make 2 half crochet, then 2, I'm going to skip 2, 1, 2, then on the third hole, just in front of the stitch marker, let me remove the stitch marker. So 1, 2, on the third I'm going to crochet, double crochet, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, back to the same hole, another 3 double crochet. So this side are forming the sides of my granny square. So I skip, then I make my half crochet, 2 half crochet, then I start going with my single crochet. My single crochet in between the half crochet, guys. So here I'm going to make 2 half crochet. When I'm pushing the position of the stitch marker, I make 2 half crochet, then I'm going to remove the stitch marker, then I'll count 1, 2, 3. So on the third hole here, I'm going to crochet 3 double crochet, then 2 chain, back to the same hole, another 3 double crochet. Then I skip 1, 2, 3. So here I put 2 half crochet. So I start going with the single crochet, guys. I'm working upward with my single crochets. So here I'm going to crochet 2 half crochets, 2 half crochets, then I'll close my work here. So I go, then I cut my yarn. So you can see. So here is my granny square. So this granny square, guys, you can use the granny square to crochet either a dress with it. So these are the other ones that I already crocheted. So these are the other ones. So I'm going to use my granny squares to crochet a pillow on it. I'll crochet a pillowcase with my granny square. So guys, if you have watched up to here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.